boy, Gibbsy. Ow! Gibson! Hurry! I saved you! I saved you from the chicken. What's that chicken doing to you? What are you doing, Mr. Clyde? You beating up on my revisions people? No, you can't come up here, you ass.
Okay, let Gibbsy go.
Huh?
Let Gibbsy go.
Alright, go. Off. He's like, no, I don't want him, Mom. The chicken's beating me up. Oh! He's back. He's back for more. You want to sneak off? Want to sneak off this side?
Gibbsy. Good boy. Good boy, Gibbsy.
Watch out for the chicken. Ooh. Ah! Oh! Jeez! He's ready to jump! He is jumping up! Mr. Clyde! That chicken wants to get you! What is that chicken doing? He wants to get you! He's a cat chicken. I know, huh? You better watch him. Hello, he said. Hello. I'm on this side now. He's just gonna fly haul out in the cabin again. I just knew it. He's thinking about it. Watch out. Hey!